Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a diet smoothie at home. First, pick your liquid base. Water, almond milk, or coconut water are great choices. Next, add 1 to 2 servings of your favorite fruits for natural sweetness. Don't forget a handful of leafy greens like spinach or kale to boost your nutrient intake. This simple start ensures a delicious and healthy foundation for your smoothie. To enhance your smoothie, incorporate a protein source. Greek yogurt, a scoop of protein powder, or a tablespoon of nut butter works well. Next, add healthy fats with ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a quarter of an avocado for creaminess. Finally, a dash of cinnamon or ginger can elevate the flavor and offer additional health advantages, making your smoothie both tasty and beneficial. Now it's time to blend. Combine all your chosen ingredients in a high-speed blender. Process until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. If it's too thick, simply add a little more liquid or a few ice cubes to reach your desired consistency. Always taste your smoothie before serving and adjust with a touch of natural sweetener or a squeeze of lemon if you like. For the best experience, enjoy your diet smoothie immediately after blending to maximize freshness and nutrient benefits. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, and they should stay good for up to 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Making healthy smoothies at home is a fantastic way to support your wellness goals, offering a quick and customizable meal or snack option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.